Come on. Go. Do you know what happens when we throw an LED light into a cup of water, pour some salt, mix it well, and put in the... So when you ground yourself, the energy induced on your body by the electric fields finds a way to flow back into Earth. And there is a continuous minuscule current from the main... Please join me for the first time to hear how it sounds. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Things are clicking in my room. My light turned out. I had to turn this. Ow! What the? Ow! Ow! What's going on?